Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're thinking about moving to Fort Wayne, buying a home, or even just interested in how the market is doing here, you're in the right spot. Today we're diving into the November 2024 real estate market trends here in Fort Wayne. I'll break it down simply so it's easy to understand, even if you've never explored the market before. Let's dive in.
You know it, the Lord. You know it, so someday. You know it.
All right, let's start with the median and average sale prices. Here's the scoop. Median sale prices in November of 2024 were about $215,000. That's actually down 2.03% from the previous month, which was about $219,450. But it's 9.69% higher than last year, November, when the median was $196,000. So even though it's dropped a little bit this month, the overall trend still shows that home prices are at their highest point when compared to the last two Novembers. Pretty cool, right? Now let's talk about average sale prices. The average sales price this month was about $250,836. That number stayed the same as last month, but it's 4.24% higher compared to November 2023. So what does that even mean? It means home values are holding steady, which is a great sign if you're thinking about investing in real estate in Fort Wayne, Indiana. Now let's talk about sales price to list price ratio. This tells us whether homes are selling above or below the listed price currently. The number in November was 96.73%. So what the heck does that mean? I'm going to break it down for you. It means that homes are selling for about 96.73% of their list price, which is pretty much the same as last month and last November. Here's a simple way to think about it. If this number is above 100%, it means that buyers are bidding over asking price. But at 96.73%, sellers are getting most of what they're asking for, just not much more. This is really important for you to understand as a buyer and a seller. All right, now let's talk about how many homes are selling and how much inventory is available as of November 2024. The number of homes sold in November was 2,719. That's down 12.96% from the previous month and slightly lower than last November's 2,749. This shows that the number of homes being sold is a bit slower compared to last year. Now let's talk inventory levels. I know you're waiting for this. The number of homes for sale in Fort Wayne this month was 10,569. This is down 6.46% compared to last month, but slightly higher than last year's number. Here's the cool thing about inventory and market trends. The MSI, or months of supply inventory, tells us how long it would take for all available homes to sell if no new listings were added. The number for November 2024 is 3.89 months, the highest since the last couple of years. And if you're a buyer, this gives you many more options. If you're a seller, however, understanding this could help you with pricing your home correctly. Up next, let's talk about days on the market. This is also very important. This is how long a house sits on the market before it's sold. The average days on market, or DOM, this month was 47 days. That's down 4.08% from the previous month, but it's still 11.9% higher than last year's 42 days. So what does this tell us? Homes are taking a little bit longer to sell compared to a year ago, but they're still moving. For sellers, this really means that pricing things right is especially important to help it sell faster. Now let's talk about new listings. In November, there were 3,208 new listings. That's down 22.17% from the previous month, but 2.33% higher than last November. So while there aren't as many new homes as before, they're still coming, which means buyers are seeing new opportunities pop up every single day. So here's the recap of the Fort Wayne market in November 2024. Median sales price, $215,000. Down slightly, but still higher than the past 2 years. Average sales price, $250,836, at the highest levels in comparison to last year and the year before. Homes are selling for 96.73% of their asking price. That's pretty stable. There are fewer homes which were sold this month, but there are still plenty of options for buyers. New listings are coming in slightly lower than last month, but higher than last year. So what does this mean for all of you who are looking at buying or selling in Fort Wayne this winter? Buyers, it's still a competitive market, but you've got choices and opportunities. Sellers, understanding the market trends is key. Pricing your home right and staging it well is the best way to move quickly. And that's it for November's market update for Fort Wayne, Indiana 2024. If you learned something new today or enjoyed this quick breakdown, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you're always updated on real estate trends in Fort Wayne, Indiana. Comment below with any real estate questions you have, and I'll answer them in the comments and in future videos. And don't forget, I am Amber Harper, your friendly Fort Wayne real estate agent. And if you have any questions about anything real estate related, I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
You Lord, the Lord, you Lord, for someday.